So we're gonna start by making chicken croquettes, y'all.
We're starting today with three things that is the base for a lot of delicious recipes. We're gonna saute a red pepper with some celery and some onion and a little bit of butter.
And I have 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire. I'm gonna mix the wet ingredients. It's gonna hold our chicken croquettes together. I'm gonna add a 1/2 cup of mayonnaise. This is gonna make those croquettes so moist and delicious. So in that goes, and 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. And how are you coming, son?
Good. Mom, if you want to, let's turn this pan on and go ahead and get a couple of tablespoons of butter going.
Okay, because we are gonna...
So I'm gonna have this right ready.
We're gonna saute the vegetables. All right, I'm gonna put a little bit of butter so Jamie can saute those veggies. And I'm gonna add 2 eggs. And Jamie, I'm using eggs that my chickens have.
Is that from Chicken Little?
Yes, it's from Chicken Little.
Or Boo Boo Chicken. My son has named one of Mama's
What
chickens.
did he name one of the chickens?
Boo Boo Chicken.
Oh, I couldn't remember what he called that. Okay, I've got some seasoning salt here. I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon. So there we go.
Y'all, I'm gonna leave the leaves on these celeries
Yes.
because so much flavor comes from the leaves here. And it's
pretty.
always so pretty mixed up in whatever dish that you're doing.
All right, now I've got my wets mixed up, Jamie. So I'm gonna come on over here and dice up my 3 chicken breast halves, and we've just poached them off in a little water. So I'm just gonna take those and just mince them. I know little Jack loves getting in the kitchen and cooking. Does he ever cook for you, son?
Well, he's building up to it. Jack's not quite old enough to get in there, but he's the best little helper a dad could ask for.
Well, I know when your Uncle Bubba just had a birthday, Jack was sick, and he couldn't come to his birthday dinner. But Jack made the cake and sent the cake.
What's funny, and everybody knows that if Jack makes a cake and we bring it to the party, there's always a piece missing.
Now, I'm just gonna pour my liquid over our chicken. Now, you can see this is really wet, and there's no way that would even begin to form a patty where I could fry it. So I am gonna use panko breadcrumbs, and I'm gonna start with 1.25 cups.
You looking good?
Yeah, may have to add some more.
All right, let's go.
As soon as you get those in there, you can come down here and you can make the sauce. Looking good.
Now, it used to be syrup or ketchup, but today we're gonna do a fancy schmancy.
Fancy schmancy.
A Creole sauce.
Mayonnaise.
Yeah, a Creole sauce. First thing I'm gonna do is put a tablespoon of a Dijon mustard in our bowl.
All right, son, I'm gonna go back in for another 1/4 cup. So now I'm up to 1.5 cups, y'all.
About a 1/2 cup of my mayonnaise here. I'm gonna put a 1/2 cup of the sour cream. I'm gonna use the juice of 1 whole lemon. Now, this lemon juice is really gonna be good on that chicken.
That's gonna make that chicken pop.
I'm gonna chop up a clove of garlic to go in here. And then to this, I'm gonna add our teaspoon of Creole seasoning and give it a good whip. And this is a lot better than ketchup or syrup.
All right, as I'm getting my patties ready, I'm just sitting them down there, y'all, on the board, because I want to put them in all at the same time. What do you think?
Oh, so good. So good.
So it's salty enough. And
You want me to start dropping these or help you pat it?
yeah, you can. We're gonna cook these in just a little bit of olive oil. Pretty, right?
Gorgeous.
Aren't they beautiful?
Now, how long do you think these are gonna have to take to cook?
Oh, it's not gonna take long, son. Just a couple of minutes on both sides. Everything's done in them, y'all, except for the raw egg. All right, look at these, y'all. See what I tell you, son?
Just a few minutes.
I mean, it doesn't take long at all for these to cook. You know, just another way to eat chicken, y'all.
Okay, I think these are done, Mom, if you want to plate them up. These look great.
All right, let me cut that fire off. And let's come down here. I want to taste your sauce.
Okay.
A little sauce. Looks good, good, good. So y'all ready to dig in?
Y'all see how fast we did this?
Is it hot? Like your sauce, son.
That's so good, but Mom was right. The lemon and the Dijon, those two things together in the sauce really sets this chicken over the top.
Good, good, good.
Super delicious. This is a great start to my celebration day, Mom.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.